Did you know the Quran predicted modern science centuries before it was discovered? Let's dive into some mind-blowing facts and explore the remarkable connections between this ancient text and contemporary scientific understanding. First up, the origin of the universe. The Quran says in Surah Al-Anbiya, "The heavens and the earth were a closed-up mass, then we opened them out." Sounds like the Big Bang Theory, right? Scientists now believe the universe is about 13.8 billion years old, which aligns with the Quran's assertion of a singular origin. This remarkable parallel invites us to contemplate the profound insights contained within this sacred text. Next, let's explore the development of the human embryo. In Surah Al-Mu'minun, it describes the embryonic stages with astonishing accuracy: a drop of fluid, then a clinging clot, then a lump, and then bones clothed with flesh. Modern science confirms these stages, highlighting the Quran's foresight about human life that predated modern embryology by centuries. This depth of knowledge exemplifies the Quran's timeless relevance and its alignment with scientific discovery. What about our protective atmosphere? The Quran states, "We made the sky a protected ceiling." This protective layer shields us from harmful radiation, cosmic rays, and meteoroids. Without it, life on Earth wouldn't exist as we know it. This insight is a reminder of the delicate balance required for life to thrive on our planet and the wisdom embedded in the Quran regarding our environment. Now, let's talk about the water cycle. The Quran mentions Allah sending water from the sky as springs in the earth, indicating the interconnectedness of precipitation and groundwater. This portrays the hydrological cycle, which is vital to sustaining life. Water sources are essential, something scientists have really emphasized throughout history. The Quran's acknowledgement of this cycle showcases its understanding of the natural world. Ever heard of the expanding universe? Surah Ad-Dariyat states, "And indeed, we are the expander." Astronomers like Edwin Hubble discovered not too long ago that our universe is expanding. The Quran's reference to expansion not only reflects a scientific truth but also invites reflection on the nature of creation and our place within the cosmos. This connection between faith and science is jaw-dropping and encourages a deeper exploration of our universe's mysteries. Here's a twist. The Quran mentions iron. Al-Hadid says, "We sent down iron, wherein is strong material." Iron is crucial for our blood and technology. Just look at modern construction. The Quran anticipated this long before science caught up, emphasizing the importance of iron not only as a physical element but also as a metaphor for strength and resilience in life. How about this? Every living thing comes from water. The Quran states, "We made from water every living thing." Fun fact: the human body is about 60% water, a truth scientists have confirmed through research. This fundamental concept emphasizes the significance of water in all forms of life, highlighting our interdependence with the natural world. It also serves as a reminder of the blessings of water, urging us to protect this precious resource. Mountains aren't just pretty, they stabilize the earth. In Surah An-Naba, mountains are metaphorically called pegs. Geological studies show this is true, as mountains prevent soil erosion and maintain our planet's balance. They act as stabilizers for the Earth's crust, reflecting the Quran's understanding of geography and geology long before these sciences were developed. Let's not forget fingerprints. The Quran in Surah Al-Qiyamah asserts, "We are able to put together in perfect order the very tips of his fingers." Modern forensics proves that no two fingerprints are alike. The intricate design hinted at centuries ago is simply stunning. This acknowledgement of individuality and uniqueness underscores the divine creation of each human being, reminding us of our special role in the world. The Quran also talks about balance in nature. In Surah Ar-Rahman, it points out ecological balance, saying, "And the earth we have spread out, and have cast therein firmly set mountains and have caused to sprout therein plants of various colors." Today, ecologists stress biodiversity and interdependence in ecosystems. It's a reminder of our role in protecting the planet and the importance of sustainable living. The Quran has astonishingly harmonized scientific facts with principles of faith. These insights invite us to reflect deeply on our universe's mysteries. For new Muslims or anyone curious, exploring these connections opens our minds and souls to the wonders of creation. It encourages a dialogue between faith and reason, science and spirituality, prompting us to seek knowledge and understanding. So, what do you think? Could ancient texts like the Quran predict the complexities of science? What other secrets might they hold? Dive into your own journey of discovery, explore the intersections of faith and science in your life, and who knew faith and science could collide so beautifully. Embracing this perspective may lead us to a richer understanding of ourselves and the universe we inhabit.